Hi, welcome to the Beam Stop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to use the model you built in the Model Builder tab to refine the entire dataset. First, I recommend applying a mask to the dataset before starting the ImageRietveldTab process to reduce the time required. Here, I am using a threshold mask applied to the mean image. The ImageRietveldTab tab will use the model you load from the Model Builder tab. In this example, I'll load a pre-existing model for this dataset. Don't forget to include the peak shape as well. Once the model is ready, you can move to the ImageRietveldTab tab. This tab has similar parameters to the previous ones. When you are ready, click the Generate Pattern Files button first. This will read your dataset within the masked region and generate multiple .xy files in the temporary folder of your working directory for Topus to use. Once the generation is complete, click the Start Rietveld button to begin the ImageRietveldTab process. If you're using the same mask again, you don't need to regenerate pattern files. In most cases, since pattern generation is faster than Rietveld analysis, you can click Start Rietveld directly without waiting for pattern file generation to finish completely. During the process, you can switch between the refined parameter maps on the right-hand side and check the current working mask. You can also click or drag your mouse on the map to see how the fitted pattern looks on the left-hand side in the Patterns tab. If needed, you can use the Stop button at the bottom right corner to halt the fitting process early, and all results will still be saved. Once the process is finished, you can review the fitting results. Zooming in on specific areas or color bars for a closer look. All results are saved in the Runs folder within your working directory, along with the model used for the ImageRietveldTab, so you can easily revisit the results later. We also provide a feature called multi-file fitting. If you have multiple datasets that share the same model, x-axis, and data structure, this function allows you to run them all sequentially in one go. Switch to the Multi-File tab on the left-hand side and load the datasets you want to analyze. Here, I'll load the same file multiple times as an example. You can save the file list for future use and reload it later. A global threshold mask can be applied to all datasets. Alternatively, you can select a unique threshold mask for each dataset or load previously saved masks. Once everything is set, click the Start Multi-File Rietveld button, and the code will run automatically. Just like before, you can monitor the results in real time. When one file is completed, the next one will start automatically. Thank you for watching all the Beam Stop tutorials. I hope you found these videos useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.